So we did with the Syton 7 stars cases, we designed by very sophisticated. Here, get rid of the all chick bite, contour, shape, texture, everything. So Syton 7 stars, this is the pre-op, which is we tried the PMMA and the patient wear the couple of weeks. And a chick bite problem, so I'm going here as I noticed that it's a really good photo. I'm going to bring down here and then make more better gingival contour. So I do have this. I will let it trim it and then trim it quite a bit. Bring here, reduce chick bite problem. Okay, doctors already trimmed here. So basically I'm trying to make the narrow down the occlusion cable. Okay. The PMMA, usually we made a little thicker because easily fragile, break if patient wears so many days. So that one is our contouring. The reason I'm trying to do instead of the scan, before scan, once I set up the perfect design, then we don't have to worry about Syton 7 star design too. And also linger is really fat here. So I can trim it is more. The problem is the upper is poorly fabricated. Look at this occlusion cable, so big. Alright, so this one is create more issue. Okay, so I have to take it out from the tissue. It's more. Recreated about the lingual contour from the fascia to the lingual side. You can do with the design, but it takes longer than what I grinded. And also it's not predictability. Here is these more trim it, just starting. Okay. I can get this. Anyway, that's the board. Trying to cut it. I'm going to show you after contouring. It's quite a big room. I have to make the disc here, to make the contour, to bring it in here, and then bring more down, cheek, and the tissue contour, and then make more separate. Interior as well. Here is everything I have to grinding. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, so previously I grinded quite a bit here, and then we just scan. This is very thin. Now we're talking about 7 star. Good. So patient really wants hygiene, so we're trying to make it underneath. We're going to make exceptional hygiene, 100% for sure. And also the chick bite. Patients hate it about the left side here, which is unmarked. That's why I grind a lot. So we're going to bring it in. Can you show me my final PMMA? Okay, so that one's cool. Then show me the skeleton type. What is the thickness? About 2.5 millimeter thickness. You cut it, right?
Yes.
Let me see side view. More? A little bit more? Alright, cool. Now just, okay, this. Just a little decreased length. You can just let it tiny bit down. Get rid of the undercut. we're going to make the individual 3 crowns. Okay, that was good. Then I mark it here, which is to me a little bit shorter, so a little bit more longer. PMMA. Yes, that's cool. That's cool. And the other side, that's good. Let me see the occlusion. This is so good. Okay, and then underneath it's really thin. Underneath, yes, that was good. I'm trying to close down about 8/10 millimeter, 7/10 millimeter underneath body. So then we do not have any lot of gap in between the teeth. Right, joint area too. That's good. That's good. Start designing after 7 star. Then we're gonna make anterior singers, open the bite. We have plenty of room, right? Cushion view. Okay, so after scan. Now design. After 7 star. Interiors. And that was the final case from design, the really bulky. We trimmed down a lot. You saw the previous video. And patient wear the old edges long time ago they fabricated. It looks nice, but it's more bulkier than this. So we did with the Syton 7 stars cases, we designed by very sophisticated. Here, get rid of the old chiclet and cheek bite, contour, shape, texture, everything is minimized. So actually this tooth is falling apart from the patient's mouth. So we're going to repair it after we strip it, after doctor try in the patient's mouth, and they put it in the metal, and then take another impression for this, so we can expose it for this. Anyway, this is really old crowns, and then this is the finals version of the Syton 7 star cases. Finish it. Made all manual, and here's the 4-unit bridge. And before we do that, we made a lot of behind the story in order to make it better than, which is quite a lot. Here's another story I would like to share with you. So here's this white, yellow, that did not work. So we finally made a color block compared to this, right? Okay. Anyway, we're going to cement soon. It's a beautiful case. Stone is really thin, right? Just like the teeth. And decrease the panty. And then increase the aesthetics compared to what patient has the upper. So you saw the all my previous one, and then we all decrease these areas, make it really thin as possible. Then make this contour, the three contours, open the vertical dimension. So this one is the finals. It's now ready to cement individual teeth. The crown, crown will be later. Just got the piece of art cases. Okay, so after cementations without any composite work. It's like this. Okay, matching the upper teeth. This nice night guard protected. So here is the canine. The premolar. And then here's second premolars as well.